What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As always, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only, so let's be entertained. Wanted to turn my attention to Revlon at the moment. As we've been seeing it over the past several days, it's just really been consolidating really nice. I mean, we've seen some swings. We've seen a lot of percent up, a lot of percent down, but it is consolidating really nice in this channel between $4.30 up here to about $6. $6 range, we attempted to break it once, twice. This will be our third time. Is it going to break and hold? I hope so. I think we spent some time here because we missed a lot of action in this channel. There was just no money that exchanged hands really. It just pushed right up and right through. So it made sense that on the way back down it was going to take some time and consolidate, soak up some of that supply, that demand that was interested in between this price action. And I think we are going to hopefully go ahead and push up above this $6 range and maybe make a little bit of consolidation in here. It's not a very big channel, so it doesn't need to spend a whole lot of time in here if we can break and push up, and I want to see it continue to climb. As I've been saying, I do not think Revlon is over. Sorry, I do a lot of Redbox videos, but Revlon is another one that I like to follow. I was saying because if we compared it to some of these other plays that have a lot of volatility, they tend to get rejected off of the 200 MA on the daily, the first attempt, and they come back down, and then on the second or third attempt they really break up and through there. So that's what I'm still watching for. I think that volatility, that price action, that drive is going to come back into this one. I might be wrong, but I've been hopeful. I've been waiting for several days just to see if this is going to play out the same way that many of the other plays do. And right now it is trying to make that drive back up. The RSI on the longer time frames looks really good, healthy, just sitting right above 50, so a lot of room to run, a lot of room to burn, really heat up. 60 on the 1 hour, I'd say we could drive that probably into the 75, 78, 84 range even before it even needs to consider cooling off. Just breaking out of these levels where obviously the strike prices are, sometimes that's a little bit more difficult. I don't know if the market makers kind of hold things back, hedging in or out or whatever they want to do just to accumulate the supply that they need. If they are hedging, sometimes I don't even know if they do hedge. I think we just get a hiccup because it is a strike price, but everything looks really good to me. It was making a nice move at the end of the day. I don't think this trajectory is sustainable, so I'm not going to draw us a channel because I think obviously it's going to need a little bit of time and it's just going to fall out of some short-term channel real quick. But as the time goes on, we'll be able to get a little bit more of an idea of a nice smooth channel that this is trading in so that we can keep an eye on it and see where it's going. But everything looked really nice today. Congratulations if you are in it. As we know, it's a ticking time bomb possibly. We're just waiting for some good news or some nice price action in the meantime to take advantage of. So that's what we're watching. Right now I want to see if it'll break and hold somewhere in this 587 range is where I got the line drawn, but I'd just call it $6. If it breaks and holds $6 and trends in here between 6 and 650 for a little bit of time, and then let's see if it continues to push up. I like what I see, so let's continue to watch this one and see what happens. We are above the 200 on the shorter time frames. On the 30-minute, it got rejected the first time. It's going back for that second attempt. So if it does break out and above, awesome. We will have a little bit of headroom that we can make, and being above that just gives us a little bit of that bullish sentiment. The 4 hour could cross over. The last time I was watching for this 4 hour to make the cross up, we got that hit piece of news that came out where all of a sudden nobody can talk about if they're going to buy out Revlon or not. They're like, we're not confirming or denying it. So be on guard for probably another hit piece tomorrow. If they see this start to cross up and get a little bit more bullish, they're probably going to come out with some more bad news just to try to hold it down. But let's just watch and see what happens. Thanks for coming back and watching another one, guys. If you don't mind, drop a like. You can subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the updates. As always, stay golden, people, and may your accounts stay green.